Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you a new technique of repairing a bulb. You can see it is that bulb which we will repair today. You can see as voltmeter readings, the driver's output is 150 volts. That means our driver section is working well. Now we will see which LED is bad in MCPCB. You can see that when I shorting this LED, the bulb glows well. That means this LED is bad. But still now another section is not working on MCPCB. You can see we have marked well which two LEDs are bad in MCPCB. We will not change the whole MCPCB. We will change only two bad LEDs on MCPCB. So guys, it's a LED SMD LED machine. You can see we can change all types of SMD LED in all types of MCPCB using this SMD machine. If you want to know how to make it, so tell me on comment box. I will make another video about it. This is the LED display that shows the value of temperature metal above. Now we will start the heating process of MCPCB. It should be used in such a way that there is no damage to the LED above. Now we will start the cooling process of MCPCB after changing the LEDs. After cooling well, we will fix it on heatsink. it is working very well. If you like this video, so like and share and subscribe our channel.